Okay folks, welcome out to the Next Stop Wildlife Show Australia. I'm Wayne Caveman Keys and this is
Yabby Hunter.
The Yabby Hunter. And today we're going to take you out to the Blue Mountains to a magic spot, and it's out at Mount York, a mad place. And Haydo here, he just trudged from Mount Victoria Station about 6 kilometres or more up and down the hills with a heavy backpack. How to feel, mate? Take the wind out of your what?
Sore back, mate.
Bit of sore back, but he's all right, Jack. So we'll take you out for the walk today, show you some of the mad lookouts out here. It's a beautiful place, so if you want to get out and check it out, it's a great spot, mate. Absolute ripper. So we'll take you out and give you a good look at it and some of the wildlife. Yabby Hunter and Caveman. We'll see you guys on the next stop. Magic. All right. Now it's a party. Where are we? Who's this bloke? We're out with Haydo. And we're out at the mad Mount York campground. It's a magic little spot here. An absolute bottler and a half with the Yabby Hunter and Caveman. Okay folks, we'll take you out and we'll commence the walk right at the start of this section with the mad lookouts, and it's got this awesome little rock arch here, and down here a seat, and this is a part of the Evans journey where he took these guys and the mail all the way from Penrith to Bathurst. So just mad. And here's the Mount York sign, bit of a map of the place, and join us now on the next stop and we'll take you for a walk straight down into the mad lookouts and rock escarpments out here at Mount York. Heritage listed. Let's get out of here, hey. How mad's this? Caveman and Yabby Man, the Yabby Hunter, out at the absolutely glorious campsite at the Blue Mountains, Mount York. Some crazy lookouts here, man. That's just mad. See the Blue Mountains and the valley in the background there. And that's the Hartley Valley. Absolutely amazing.
That's out that way.
That's wicked, mate. Top lookout, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, this is wicked terrain. It'll be just magic terrain here, overlooking the beautiful valley and the Blue Mountains here. Mount York campground, an absolute bottler with the Yabby Hunter.
Yeah, the Caveman.
And Caveman. Magic out on the Blue Mountain. Mad spot. Look at that massive rock overhang there. Another little cave just underneath. Magic of the Blue Mountains. One spectacular spot, this place, it really is. And there's the path we've just came from. Beautiful Mount York in the Blue Mountains. Another spot, mate. Right across from the other one. So here we have it. Haydo's campground just here. Top spot.
Thousands of years ago, eh?
Oh yeah.
Imagine who's slept under here, who's camped here.
That's it, mate, as you would. One magnificent place. So we'll take you a bit further down the track here. See what we've got in the next stop. A wicked rock overhang, eh? And it looks like there's a bit of a clearing here. Looks like someone's actually stayed over. Ah, mate, as you would. Look at that, that's just purposely made. You've got this mad big overhang here to protect you. I mean, hey, I'll just come for a walk up here. Oh, wicked spot. Hey mate, wouldn't it be mad just to pitch our little tent and swag in here.
Oh, hell yeah.
Oh man, look at that. Plenty of protection from the weather and stacks of room, man. Oh, look at the view. Truly spectacular. Mate, and Haydo picked out this spot. Come and hike down there. Brilliant choice, buddy.
Yeah, mate.
Magic. Oh, how mad the first bird that we bumped into, the beautiful crimson rosella. Those magical iridescent blues and patterning down the back. And off he goes to his next stop, which ain't too far away. Beautiful bird. And here he is, just landed up on the gum here. They're an absolutely spectacular bird out of the Blue Mountains. Oh yeah, looks a bit tricky. The old caveman with his bung leg. Let's see how he goes. Next stop might be the bottom of the valley. What a mad spot, eh? Purely brilliant, man. Oh, awesome. It's mad, this place, Haydo.
Yeah.
The Blue Mountains is hard to beat, isn't it, mate? But honestly.
Yeah, there's plenty to see out here.
Oh yeah.
Never ending, mate.
Yeah. Plenty of mad animals. Next stop, beautiful little brown thornbill. Tiny little bird in amongst the gums, having a feed. Beautiful. Oh, next up, look at this little fella, the dusky robin. Scooting along the path here, I can hardly get a hold of him. I like to hop along these guys, they're so cool. Next stop in the trees, looks like a beautiful white-throated tree creeper. Absolutely magic. Mad, don't know what he is. Look there. Oh, it's a wedge-tail, mad. Awesome. Beautiful. Oh, check this out, Haydo. It's the robber fly. These guys are mad. Just that mad detail on the body and the patterning. And they feed on mosquitoes, these guys, which a lot of people will probably like. But yeah, just another important part of the ecosystem. If we didn't have these guys around, the mosquitoes would be out of control. Oh, mad. On the next stop at Mount York, Ripper, the robber fly. Amazing. So we might head off and see what else we can find on our next stop, Haydo. An absolute bottle of Mount York's been, mate. I strongly recommend anyone get out here and check it out. Magic spot, eh? Hey guys, I'm Wayne Caveman Keys and I'm mad. Mad for wildlife. Get that in ya. A magic dragonfly. Just sitting on the rock here. Absolutely beautiful. An assortment of different dragonflies out here at Mount York. Absolutely beautiful this guy is. Yeah, amazing place, Mount York. And off he goes to his next stop. Oh, check this out. Haydo, have a look at this. It's a Bassian thrush. I've never filmed one of these guys before, I don't think. Not recently anyway. Look at the mad coloration down the chest. Yeah, the Bassian thrush. A beautiful little bird. He's just hunting around in the little grassland there. Getting a bit of a feed. Oh, he's seen me now. Okay. Absolutely beautiful bird. So we're heading back up to the start of our walk. Oh, magnificent. The Bassian thrush is a beautiful bird. So yeah, that's one of the first times I filmed this guy, in recent anyway. So what a great way to end off the show. Just having a peck around in the grass. Pure magic at Mount York Campground and surrounds. Great walk down here, really brilliant walk, eh? Eddie's Rock and other lookouts up here, a must. Okay guys, that was the last stop on the Express today, and it's not the Cumberland Express, it's the Blue Mountains Express, because we're out of the beautiful Mount York. So, till next time, from Koozie the Caveman and
Yabby Hunter.
Yabby Hunter, we'll be back with more action, adventures and wildlife on the next stop. See you then guys, have a ripper. We'll see you on the next stop.
See you on the next stop.
Mad.